Hi, in this short video today I'm going to show you how to set up the GreenHouse Plus parallel synthesizer. The GreenHouse synthesizer allows you to perform up to 24 reactions in parallel, from 0.5 milliliters up to 7 milliliters, all on a single hot plate. Your stirring hot plate provides your heating and your magnetic stirring. The GreenHouse synthesizer is also nickel plated, so this prevents any corrosion from gas vapours or liquids that are within your reaction. The gas-tight glass chamber can also be put under an inert atmosphere through this gas connection. In the GreenHouse synthesizer, refluxing is possible through the cooled reflux head. This contains a series of metal pins that act as cold traps. These help condensate your vapours. In the reaction block, you can hold up to 24 glass reaction tubes. The block itself is the same footprint as a standard micro-titer plate, and this allows the rapid transfer of material from your standard micro-titer plate using a multi-channel pipette into your reaction block. The GreenHouse base unit fits onto any circular hot plate with a top plate diameter of 135 millimeters. The GreenHouse is heated directly by the stirring hot plate, and for accurate temperature control we recommend using a hot plate with a PT1000 temperature sensor. The GreenHouse uses VMAG stirring technology. This is where oversized PTFE stirring bars are vertically positioned to maximise stirring in each reaction tube. They spin in a V-shaped orbit. Once your reaction tubes are in the base, place the glass cylinder onto the base and then place the reflux head into position on top, taking care to align the alphanumeric numbering on the head and the base unit. To make things easier, it's best to use the locating pillars when placing the head into position. Using these two sealing knobs, secure the head and ensure that there is a gas-tight connection. The sealing knobs only need to be hand tight, so there's no tools required. You connect your gas source using this hose barb. You might want to use a three-way valve to connect the GreenHouse to a regulated inert gas supply and a vacuum source for purging. By switching 3 times between the vacuum and inert gas, you can purge air from the system. Connect your water inlet and outlet into these quick release connectors into the head. For refluxing within the GreenHouse synthesizer, the reflux head contains a series of nickel pins that act as cold traps. For most applications, a cold tap water supply provides adequate cooling. When using low boiling point solvents or working at elevated temperatures above ambient, a chilled water supply is highly recommended. Remember, when refluxing, try not to overfill your tubes or boil your solvents vigorously. To ensure you do not overpressurize your GreenHouse synthesizer, it's best to have a regulated gas supply going into it. We recommend pressures of 0.5 psi to 1 psi if you're going to perform reactions under an inert atmosphere. If you do overpressurize your GreenHouse system, we do have this pressure relief valve on top. The GreenHouse reflux head also allows you to make additions or take samples from your reaction tubes. Under this sealing plate, there is a septum or a sealing mat. We have 3 septum mats made of different materials and 1 sealing mat available. By using these mats, you're also able to add and sample air-sensitive reagents. Before making your reagent additions, it is important to relieve any pressure from within the chamber, otherwise you might not be able to inject your reagent or there may be splashback through the head. To do this, fully lift the relief valve to remove excess overpressure before you start. So this is what you need to know in order to set up your GreenHouse Plus parallel synthesizer. Watch the other videos in our series to take your GreenHouse synthesizer and convert it into a GreenHouse blowdown evaporator, and to work up and purify your reactions using the GreenHouse workup station. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please go to our website and download the instruction manuals or contact one of our technical sales specialists.